Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Meat Thermometer is probably one of the most essential tools for any home cook or grill master looking to achieve perfectly cooked meals every single time, ensuring your food is not only delicious but also safely prepared for your family and friends, eliminating the guesswork and the risk of undercooked or overcooked dishes, making it a must-have gadget for anyone serious about their culinary creations. Number 5. Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer. Get precise temperature readings in just 1 to 2 seconds with our advanced technology. It comes pre-calibrated for your convenience, with an easy recalibration feature if needed. Looking for a great gift? This is perfect for husbands, dads, or any grilling enthusiast. It comes in an elegant gift box, making it an ideal present for Father's Day or birthdays. No more struggling to see the temperature. The large, easy-read display features a bright blue backlight, perfect for grilling in the dark or baking in your kitchen. This cooking thermometer is built to last. It's water-resistant with an IP67 rating, so you can easily wash and clean it under running water. It's a must-have grilling accessory for any kitchen. Use it for cooking meat or any type of food, ensuring perfect results every time. Surprise the man in your life with this thoughtful gift. It's a practical and appreciated present for birthdays or any occasion. What we like. This thermometer offers a super fast 1 to 2 second response time for quick readings. It also comes in an elegant gift box, making it an excellent choice for gifting. If you are looking for a reliable and presentable gift for a dad or grill enthusiast, this is a great option. What people say. This thermometer is incredibly fast and accurate, giving readings in just a few seconds. The large, easy-to-read display makes it simple to check the temperature even in low light. Its durable stainless steel probe is perfect for piercing through meat without bending. Number 4. ThermoMaven Pro Meat Thermometer. Experience incredibly fast and precise temperature readings in just half a second. Its upgraded probe ensures stability and accuracy, so you can always achieve perfect results. Cook with confidence thanks to NIST certification, guaranteeing an accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Achieve professional-level flavor and safety in every dish. Don't let water stop you. This device is IP67 waterproof, making it easy to clean and perfect for any cooking adventure, from grilling to baking. Enjoy effortless use with its auto-rotating backlit display, readable in any light. It also features a smart sleep function and a convenient bottle opener. Keep your kitchen tidy with its smart storage options. You can easily hang it up or attach it to your fridge for quick access. Looking for the perfect gift? Surprise the barbecue enthusiast in your life with this premium tool that combines precision, style, and durability. What we like. Experience lightning-fast 0.5 second readings with NIST-certified accuracy for professional results. Its auto-rotating backlit display makes it easy to read from any angle, perfect for left or right-handed users. If you demand the highest precision and user-friendly design for your cooking, this is the thermometer for you. What people say. The thermometer is very accurate and easy to read. It works great and is very fast. I love the backlight feature, it makes it easy to read in low light conditions. Number 3. SMARTRO ST49 Digital Thermocouple Meat Thermometer. Introducing the SMARTRO ST49, the ultimate digital meat thermometer designed for precision and ease of use in your kitchen. It's perfect for everything from grilling to candy making. Rest assured with its NSF certification, guaranteeing it meets the highest standards for public health protection. This ensures your food is always safe to consume. Experience unparalleled speed and accuracy with its advanced Thermocouple technology. Get pinpoint temperature readings in just 1 to 2 seconds, ensuring your meals are cooked to perfection every time. The large, backlit screen with huge digits makes reading temperatures a breeze, day or night. Its innovative motion-sensing display rotates automatically, allowing for comfortable use with either hand. Simply pick it up to instantly power it on, and set it down to conserve battery with its intelligent sleep mode. It's always ready when you are. With an IP67 waterproof rating, it can handle submersion up to 1 meter. Cleaning is as simple as rinsing it under water with soap, just like any other kitchen utensil. Easily store it by sticking it to any metal surface with its magnetic backing or hang it on a hook using the convenient hanging hole. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your kitchen workflow. What we like. This thermometer boasts NSF certification for safety and uses advanced thermocouple technology for instant, exact readings. The motion sensing, auto-rotating display ensures effortless use for anyone. If you prioritize certified safety and intuitive operation for all your cooking needs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This thermometer is incredibly fast and accurate, giving readings in just a few seconds. The large, easy-to-read display makes checking temperatures simple, even in low light. Its waterproof design means you can easily clean it under running water without worry. Number 2. TempPro TP710 Instant Read Cooking Thermometer. Effortlessly monitor 2 dishes simultaneously. Use the fold-away probe for quick checks and the wired probe for continuous oven or smoker monitoring. Never worry about over or undercooking again. Get perfectly cooked food every time with programmable alerts. Choose from USDA recommended presets or set your own custom temperatures to suit your taste. Conveniently view both the preset and actual temperatures on the backlit LCD screen. This feature offers great value and makes cooking easier. Get fast and precise temperature readings in just 3 to 4 seconds. It's accurate to within ±1.8 degrees Fahrenheit across a wide temperature range. Read temperatures safely from a distance with temperature lock. Maintain accuracy through user calibration and easily clean it with its waterproof design. You're getting the same great product, quality, and warranty you expect. Only the logo has changed from ThermoPro to TempPro. What we like. Master multitasking with its dual probes, allowing you to monitor 2 dishes simultaneously. Programmable alarms ensure your food is cooked to perfection every time. If you often find yourself cooking multiple items and need precise control over each, this thermometer is designed for you. What people say. This thermometer is incredibly fast and accurate, giving readings in just a few seconds. The large, easy-to-read display makes it simple to check the temperature even in low light conditions. Its waterproof design means you can easily clean it under running water without any worries. Number 1. ThermoMaven Professional Digital Meat Thermometer. Experience lightning-fast temperature readings in just half a second. Our advanced technology ensures you get the precise temperature exactly when you need it. Achieve perfect results every time with NIST certification, guaranteeing accuracy to within ±0.5 degrees Fahrenheit. You can trust it to deliver precise measurements for any cut of meat. Built to last and easy to clean, this device is IP67 waterproof. Its superior durability ensures reliable performance, even in demanding kitchen environments. Designed for convenience, it wakes on lift and features a backlit, auto-rotating display for easy reading in any light. It's simple to use for everyone. Keep it handy with magnetic or hook storage. It even includes a built-in bottle opener, making it a versatile tool for any cooking enthusiast. Give the gift of perfect cooking. This thoughtful and practical thermometer is ideal for anyone who loves grilling, smoking, or experimenting with meats. What we like. Achieve industry-leading 0.5-second response times with NIST-certified accuracy for perfect doneness. This thermometer is also IP67 waterproof and features a convenient built-in bottle opener. If you're a grilling enthusiast who appreciates both professional performance and practical, added features, this is the ideal tool for your next barbecue. What people say. The thermometer is very accurate and easy to read. It has a fast response time and gives a reading in seconds. The probe is long enough to reach the center of thick cuts of meat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.